Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another watch unboxing. I'd reached out to a rep from TOCKR Watches, TOCKR, about sending over a piece for us to check out, and they agreed to send this over. So thank you to them for sending this over for us to check out. This one is called the Texan. And it should have, I believe it has a kind of like a relief or a outline of the USS Texan on the dial. So let's take a look at it here. All right, so it's a long box. That's why it came in this large case, large box here. It's a large case. That's why it came in a large box. And I believe a portion of the sales of this watch go towards this foundation as well. I'll leave a link in the description to the website for this company. So yeah, there it is, TOCKR, TOCKR. All right, let's set this off to the side. So a cardboard outer box, and then this leather sleeve here, or leather padded case, I guess I should say. Yeah, cool. Okay, so it is on what feels like a silicone strap. And it is, of course, a quartz watch. And I'll hit this with a UV light. We'll do the full lume during the presentation the full presentation video. But this has some unique lume to it as well. So let's put that back in the case there. I can zoom in as well. I wonder what kind of metal is the rehaut there. It almost looks, I don't know, almost looks like maybe metal from the, I don't know if it's metal from the ship or not. I know there's a company that sells watches where the dials are made out of parts from spaceships, like the rocket booster. I should have to reach out to them. But anyway, yeah, very nice. Okay, kind of a unique case back here as well. So it has a serial number on here. I'm not sure if it's a limited edition. 5 ATM waterproof quartz. Reference, say BB. Yeah, BB35, whatever that means. Born in Austin, Texas, and Swiss made. So this company is based in Austin, Texas. Okay, so it's just a push-pull crown, so that would explain the 50-meter water resistance. This be the date. Yep. And then if I pull it out again, it should, assuming hack the movement, which it did. All right, let me turn off these backlights here and then hit it with a UV light. Should see, yeah, there we go. Very cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. So give me a little preview of how the lume will look in the upcoming full video presentation here. All right, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. For comparison, I have the Seiko Solar Tuna here. This is a larger watch anyway. Let's get my SKX over here. All right, let's get this on wrist. Then we'll close out the video. So nice milled hardware here. And it is signed TOCKR. TOCKR. It reminds me of the movie oh, Meet the Fockers, I guess. TOCKR, Focker. But anyway, it's that movie with Ben Stiller and was it Sarah Patton and Sarah? I forgot what her name is. And then Robert De Niro. So yeah, not a bad fit for my 6.5-inch wrist. Did I say Ben Stiller? I don't know what I said before, but yeah, there's a movie with Ben Stiller. Anyway, unique case shape to this watch as well. All right, that will conclude today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment below. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.